a big thing about movie performance that we really like here at Kortrui is that it focuses on the long-term athletic development of the kids, and obviously all the exercises are age appropriate. With the good techniques that you are able to learn here from movie performance, I think the program is set up in a way that the instructor takes the lead in terms of showing the kids what to do, and we as educators can walk through, help the kids that need a little assistance to make sure that they do it correctly. The program also age-relevant exercises that covers the fundamental stage for our junior learners, and then also covers the learning to train stage for our senior learners. So there is a great difference between our foundation phase and the senior phase in the type of exercises that they do. So credit to the movie performance team in the way that they set up all these programs. At the end of the day, the learners learn a big deal of confidence, and a confident learner is a happy learner, and a happy learner is certainly going to take that energy, that confidence and that happiness to the sports field and into their everyday life, and movie performance has been a great tool to instill that confidence within the learners.